Hello garden friends, and welcome to my channel, DK's Garden Oasis. I am Debbie. I garden in Zone 5B, the southwest suburbs of Chicago, and on this channel you will learn to bloom, grow, and conserve in your garden. In today's video will be the last of the seed hauls, and that is my native plants for the pollinators. The other three were my vegetable and herbs, and I'll link that above. And then I had my cool flower annuals, and that link is above. And then finally the third one was my warm season annuals, and that link is above as well. So make sure you check those all out. Make sure you stay to the end where I share a wildflower proverb and also the details of the last giveaway for this month. So before we get started with the video, I wanted to share some personal news. And some of you may know already, on my community page I posted that my father passed away 2 days ago on Tuesday, the 24th. He had Alzheimer's for probably close to 10 years, and the past year we've had him in a skilled nursing home. And although he wasn't the dad I grew up with, the past year has been very special for us as we had different relationships with my dad this past year of his life. He passed away peacefully, and our family is mourning his loss, but I know he's in a better place. So I just wanted to let you know that. I'm going to be doing my best to do the next couple of videos in the next couple of weeks, but of course we have some funeral arrangements and some family coming in from out of town, so I may be a little delayed in those videos, but gardening is my respite, so that's why I'm doing these videos, is to share my joy of gardening. So what are native plants and why are they beneficial? So I'm going to read a statement from the Pollinator Partnership Great Lakes region, and they state, native plants support the local ecology and provide vital nutrients critical for the diet and life cycles of many bees, butterflies, birds, and other wildlife. Not only do these plants beautify and diversify our landscape, they also clean our air and water, stabilize soils, feed imperiled wildlife, and so much more. They are also healthier and stronger and will establish quicker if the plants are native to your area. I'm going to now list the benefits of native plants. I purchased my native seeds from a couple of suppliers. Now, some of the other seed companies do carry native seeds, but these two companies specialize, and you can look up in your area what are native. And those two companies are Joyful Butterfly and Prairie Moon Nursery. And here's what I'm going to be growing this year. I will also be selling these at my plant starts this spring, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel and get notifications so you know when that is. So the first company is Joyful Butterfly, and as the name implies, they're mainly for butterflies. So I want to go over the seeds that I will be planting this year, and most of these will be planted in milk jugs for winter sowing. So the first one I have is Pearly Everlasting, and they have instructions on here if you have to fall sow or stratification, and that means that they need some cold period, or they can be fall sown, and then they would be in the ground all winter. So this one is Pearly Everlasting. The next one is Showy Goldenrod. The next one is Dill Seed. Then we have Bronze Fennel. and white yarrow. This is from Joyful Butterfly. The other company is from Prairie Moon Nursery, and this one is Anise Hyssop. And again, another one from Prairie Moon, another Pearly Everlasting. Columbine. Butterfly weed. New Jersey tea. Lance leaf coreopsis. Purple prairie clover. Tall larkspur. Purple coneflower. Big leafed aster. Sweet Joe pieweed. Prairie alum root. Shrubby St. John's wort. Button blazing star. Great blue lobelia. Wild lupine. Bradbury's monarda. Wild bergamot. Stiff goldenrod. Hairy beard tongue. Hairy mountain mint. Yellow coneflower. Orange coneflower. Black-eyed Susan. Smooth blue aster. Aromatic aster. Golden Alexanders. Little blue stem. Prairie dropseed. Prairie violet. And this was a free seed, but I believe I already have this. It's a sometimes when you order so many, they give you free seeds. And this one's another purple prairie clover. So those are all of mine that I will be growing. I do have a few more from another couple companies, and when I winter sow, you will see those. So I'm hoping this year is a better year for my butterflies. Last year I had few and far between butterflies, and I'm hoping that this year I have more success. So what will you grow to help conserve in your gardens and have a garden rich in nutrients for your pollinators? Leave a comment below what kind of plants you'll be growing in your garden this year. So next week I will be doing my best to post that video in a timely manner. We are having a memorial for my dad next week, and we do have family coming in from out of town. So again, I'll do my best to get that video, and I'll keep you updated on the community page. So make sure you hug the ones you love. Time with your loved ones is never guaranteed. So my next video will be winter sowing. So make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell for those videos. So for the giveaway, this will be the last one of the seed haul giveaways. And this one is the Butterfly Banquet collection from Botanical Interests. And in this package, we have zinnias, and these are the California Giants. We have milkweed, butterfly weed, verbena. Actually, this is another milkweed, incarnata. Cosmos rabenza, Linaria Fairy Banquet, Cosmos Sensation Blend, Echinacea Purple Coneflower, and Dill Banquet. So those are what you'll be receiving in the butterfly collection. So what you need to enter is you need to subscribe, like, and comment below this video. The giveaway will run from January 30th at 6 a.m. through February 12th at 6 p.m. and the winner will be announced February 13th at 6 p.m. Good luck. So now I want to share that wildflower proverb. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Bye-bye.